Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables, firmware, power, and connection. First, plug the ARtisan Nova 1 wired. You want to see if the mic is recognized. Next, check headset firmware and battery. Low power can mute preamps. Remove software variables by testing the mic on a phone. This proves hardware versus driver. Once done, prepare tools, small Torx, plastic pry, and 70% isopropyl for contacts. This gets you into the real troubleshooting fast. You now open the affected ear cup and inspect the mic assembly. Carefully release clips with a plastic pry. You want access without cracking plastic. Visually scan the mic flex cable and connector for tears, kinks, or corrosion. These are the usual failure points. Clean contact pads with 70% isopropyl. That removes oxides that kill continuity. If you find a cracked solder joint, gently reflow it, small. Controlled heat, because a cold joint causes you reassemble with care. Reseat every connector, snap clips fully, and tighten any screws. Then test the mic wired first. This confirms electrical repair, and test wireless next to verify the transmitter. If intermittent issues remain, update headset firmware and perform a factory reset. Software can mask hardware symptoms. Finally, if you still have no mic, replace the mic module or pursue warranty service. One troubleshooting tip. If sound exists only on one device, swap cables and adapters to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.